Hello everyone. Today I'm introducing my web app, CP Flow Auditor. Right now, we found that many of the websites that may look completely on the surface, but there's still accessibility and formatting problem. Like you're giving an image without the alternative text. So it's bring that the user that blind, they only can using the hear sound, like the tool, the assistant them to hear that what is the info that were given from the website. They can't know that what's actually for the image meaning because they only reading that the HTML element, the img, in knowing that oh this is the image, but they didn't given any alternative text for it. So which means that for the disability person, they actually are difficult to knowing that the real meaning of this of the website meaning. So we also find that the also got many of the website problem like you having the poor heading structure, maybe you missing the labeling, you have the low size, the text size or the color of the contract, or you have an unclear section or a content that does not follow the WCAG accessibility expectation. So my app is focusing on helping the user to review a website against the WCAG style accessibility and formatting a standard in a clearer, a more guided way. Okay, so here is our product. It's something like this. So let me show the demo for it. So in this, you can see that we got the first, in here you can see the number first. So in here we can enter the URL. Like in here I'm finding the Python release. Okay, in here we got a lot of the link, right? But maybe sometimes we got some element that will cause the user feel a bit confusing. So right now I'm trying to do is I'm trying to scanning the website quickly, and then we can choose for the quick, standard, or form journey. We got three types for the scanning, and then here is our history that we have searched before. So after we search, actually I already run it before because when we run the scanning, actually take lots of time. Okay, here is our product they will do. So in here we are showing that okay, what is the general or the total of the problem that we found that they will actually conflict with the WCAG rule that provided by the Capital School. Okay, so in here you can find that okay, we got this problem. So we got these three. Actually, they are using the playwright, which is they were the web scraping assistant. You are trying to screenshot for the image, and then also labeling with it, like you're showing that the link test actually too vague, which means they only say that learn more, but actually user don't know what is the learn more meaning. Maybe you can replace it with the read business license requirement. Okay, it also say that you also find this link, read more link. Actually, you got six. You got the HTML Python org, also got in the HTML Python org community. So actually in here, you can mark for the human review. Actually, you can say that, okay, I got it. I know that actually that's correct. So actually in here, we also provide a final review, which means the HTML report for it. So in here, you can see that the report for, okay, so here is our report showing about critical, about high, medium, and low. So in here, you can see that you also label, and then in here, you can see the selector, which means the ID. Because each class of the HTML element, we got the ID, right? So in here, you say that if you're using the inspect of the F12 button, you can set a search um, for the part that which is contract with the WCAG rule. Okay, in here you can see that okay, you find lots of this. Okay, and also this learn more. Okay, so here is the advanced that will be given. Okay, so let me show you another sample. Okay, so here is another sample. Oh, sorry. Okay, it's about this. So here is another sample is about this website. Okay, this is the google.ai.eib. Okay, DEV. Okay, so here is the website. You can see that very pretty. Okay, but actually after we scanning for our apps, okay, we can showing that okay, actually the image we found that the image have missing an alternative text for it. So actually in here we also can see for the HTML report for the Q1. So in here you can see I found that okay, I provide an image is called like this, so I can see the image actually like this. Okay, I copy and paste. It's showing this. Okay, it's showing that I provide an image for this. For maybe the user is a blind. Actually, doesn't know what is the image like this. Although it will go the scanning, but actually for a user who have the eyes disability, actually they can't know. What they can know is only that what is the alternative words that provided, like just now what I said. So that's what our app was trying to do is help the website become better because it can help all of the web-based app can be user-friendly, including the disability. Okay, so here is our all of the product. So in here you also can see for the backend flow. Okay, in here you can see we close the site. Okay, and then we do for the scanning, and then we do for the documentation, and then we do for the screenshot, and also generate for the report. So here is our all of the project. So if you wanted to try to scanning the other apps, okay, like GitHub, maybe you also can try to put it into this. But actually, it will take a bit of time for it, because you know it was sending to the because in here you can see that we're using the Google Gemini, which means we call the API key. We're using the Gemini 2.0 Flash. So actually, we're using it to scanning the page and then scanning for the what is the HTML element, the CSS that using. and they will try to describe what is the current situation. Okay, what is the advice can be provided for the user. Like right now, I'm okay. Here you can see that. So maybe the recommendation is you can try to describe the alternative text to the images. Okay, to make it have the corrective, something like this. So that is what we do. Thank you.